Do you know any other people here? Can you see the woman who's carrying a small suitcase? Yes. She's wearing a dress with spots. That's my friend Sarah. Oh, where's she going? She's going to visit her cousin. And there's someone I know here, Mum. Who's that? Can you see that man who's reading the newspaper? The one who's got curly hair? No, the one who's sitting next to his skis. He taught me last year. Oh, yes, I remember him. His name's Frank. Look, can you see that girl with the drum? Yes, I can. I'd like to play it. Me too. Do you like her sunglasses? Yes, I do. What's her name? Katie. She lives near the station. And who's the man who's making the coffee? Sorry, I don't know him. But I do know the man who's buying something at the bookshop. Oh, what's his name? That's Jack. Oh, he's got a great striped scarf. Yes, he has, hasn't he? Can you see the woman who's sitting next to those plants? Oh, yes. She's a friend of your aunt's. Yes, I like the butterfly on her handbag. What's her name? Her name's Helen. Now listen to part 1 again.